Hi, today we're going to talk about the Dash Dual Citrus Juicer. So this is, it has 25 flower ounce capacity and 25 watts. Okay, so the wattage is really small. Well, you don't need that because it's just the juicer. So 25 watts is good. So let me tell you, so I unboxed it and I got this one from the store for only $20, which is really good. So I'm not sure how much is it now, but it's $20 just last month. So anyway, so here are the parts. We have the cover. We got two cones here for the use of smaller citrus, smaller lemons, and a bigger one. So if you have a smaller lemon or orange, you use this one, and for grapes or bigger lemons is gonna be the bigger one. Okay, so anyway, so it snaps like that. So you put it there and you just snap this one over there if you want to use the bigger one. So that's that part. Yeah. Next part here is actually the strainer, and you can actually adjust it to a bigger or smaller holes. And actually this is used, so some people want their juice to have pulps and some don't. So this is the use of that one. Okay, so this one is the cup itself, and it's like there's a measuring there that is the milliliter and a flower ounce. This is the motor, and it has actually an arrow here where how to lock this cup. So you put the cup there and you actually turn it and lock, okay, before you use. Make sure it's locked. This has underneath, it has a rubber foot, but it looks like mine is missing two of them, but you know, they comes with 3 rubber foot. I don't know what happened to the other ones. Okay, so that's it. So we're gonna put this back here, there, and then we put this back here. There. Okay. So this turns clockwise or counterclockwise. So depends. So all you do is just press it down and you juice it. Really easy. So the plug itself, you can roll it out for the easy storage. The only thing I didn't like in here, they didn't put a snap, you know, to put this plug in place when you keep it for storage. Okay, so that's another flaw on this juicer. So let's try this one. I'm gonna plug it now, and I have lemons here that I can use, and I think this is a little larger. So all you do is just actually press it down. So when you actually put your lemon there, you just roll your hand a little bit, but it's not hard. So once you press it down, it goes clockwise. Press it again, it goes counterclockwise. So it goes really, that's why it's getting all the juices in it. That's the purpose of that dual turn. So let's do this again. So now once you released it and you put it back, it turns counterclockwise. So clockwise and then counterclockwise, so that it's getting all the juices. So that's pretty much it, and you can see, let's unlock this one. Okay, as you can see, the juice are all there. Okay, so I placed it on the bigger holes, so that's why I have the pulp there, but the seeds, oops, can see the seed stays in there, stays in place. So that's what it is. If you want to keep it with a cup, okay, with this, all you do is just actually rinse the upper part, and then you can put, you can put back this one. It has a snap here. You can put it back there, okay, and it's ready to put in the refrigerator. But if you want to save it or put it in a bottle or in a glass, so all you do is just put it in. Hold this one because it does not have, it's not screwed or something, so you need to hold that tight and put it in a glass. So that's pretty much. So that's our lemon juice. So all you do is just put some sugar and ice, and it's ready. So for the price of 20 bucks, I'm giving it a thumbs up. So hope to see you again, and this is really a good product. You know, I got a professional juicer before that I got rid of because it's so hard to clean. This one is also easy to clean. You don't have oil on this or something, you can only just rinse it and put it back and just dry it and store it. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video, and I would appreciate it if you click that like button at the bottom. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye. I'll see you again.